Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. Today's question is, if I need to declare bankruptcy and I own cryptocurrency, and if I don't declare it to my bankruptcy trustee, will they ever find out? So the answer to this question comes in a couple of parts. Firstly, the legal requirement is that if someone is going bankrupt, they are meant to declare all of their assets to their bankruptcy trustee, wherever in the world those assets may be. Cryptocurrency and digital currency falls under the type of asset that needs to be disclosed to their bankruptcy trustee, and is a type of asset that does get lost into the bankrupt estate, so to speak. Now, cryptocurrency by nature is far less traceable than something like real estate within Australia, for which there are government registries that you can search and see if someone owns real estate. Cryptocurrency doesn't have that sort of registry or identification system. Now, what bankruptcy trustees may look for, though, is what we call entry and exit points for the cryptocurrency from something like that person's bank statements. As that person buys cryptocurrency, sometimes the money will come out of that person's bank statement and go to, say, the exchange or whoever's processing the transaction for that person. Similarly, if that person sells their cryptocurrency, that money comes back usually into a more traditional currency bank account, so something again like Australian dollars, and that might be something that a bankruptcy trustee notices when they review the bank statement. So if you do own cryptocurrency and you have questions about it, please find out, because the last thing you want to do is not have been fully honest through your bankruptcy, because you don't want your bankruptcy to be extended or for you to have incurred any offences or anything like that. So if you've got questions about it, please just ask, and then you know where you stand and what you are able to do, and have that peace of mind about it as well.